The Europeans came up with a plan, not a great plan, but it's a plan. I'm here with Ben Willis from Sunrise Securities. Ben, we got a couple of nice positive things happening today. We had a good GDP number. Claims was okay, but not a bad claims report. So here we are. We're cheering and moving higher.
Well, it looks like Sarkozy and Merkel finally herded the kittens into the parade for the EU. So the question for us as traders with a jaded eye is, will they really pull this off? Because we saw this before. If we go back to July, we had a similar reaction to the supposed plan they had in place. This one looks, based on the credit default swaps, looks like it's a little bit more real. The banks have all reacted positively to it, both the European banks and the U.S. banks. So right now, it looks like they're on track. We just hope that there is something truly substantive to the plan that's been laid out. It's really just a plan. We haven't really seen the concrete.
Right, and there's a lot of talk about lots of money, but nowhere, no clear place where this money is coming from. On the energy side, you've been a big energy bull. Exxon, Shell, Statoil all came out with huge profits, and oil is up today on this news. So, is this going to continue, this oil play?
Lots of interesting dynamics in the oil play between the West Texas Intermediate coming up and North Sea Brent. The spread is narrowing. That's what a lot of the traders who are trading that side of the market. And as I said time and time again, it's the same thing I believe that's going on in the banking business is going on in the energy business. It's cheaper to buy reserves of another company than it is to drill for them yourself. And I think that's continuing. You saw that going on with El Paso's deal. So we were still in the energy space, obviously a different company than an Exxon, but I think that's the whole dynamic behind it. I think it's a group to keep an eye on. It's steady. It will participate with the growth in the world economy, but it also doesn't, in my opinion, you don't need $100 barrel of an oil to justify the profitability that they're making.
All right, and you mentioned the production. Exxon did say that it had lowered production volumes, so that is definitely happening.
Right, which is boosts the price of crude in and of itself, but it still goes to the same story, whether they will go out and try and find that production that somebody or already else has done rather than drill themselves.
All right, well, it would be nice if our production came down, that we got more money, right?
Oh,
That's Ben Willis from Sunrise Securities, and this market is on fire on Thursday.